Everyone talks about ElevenLabs or ChatGPT, but almost no one mentions the real treasure, Google AI Studio. It's completely free, and it can do things the others simply can't. It's not just good in English, its Turkish is nearly perfect. And it comes with a 1 million token context window, meaning you can drop an entire book into it and ask for a voice narration in seconds. No limits. The real secret is in the prompts. Most people just paste the text, but you should add something like this. Read this in an excited tone, increase the speed by 10%, and never add anything outside the text. The result? A professional voice that sounds exactly the way you want. And it's not limited to text. You can upload your video and say, "Analyze this and write a suitable voiceover script for me." Everything happens in the same panel, and yes, it's all free. So don't waste time on expensive subscriptions. Go to Google AI Studio and test the future yourself. The link is in the comments, and the details are in the description.